All right, I'm taking off right behind you. Take it out.
Gear up. Gear down. Gear up. Gear down.
Trying to get that gear up?
Gear up.
It won't because
Gear
of
down.
the rudder. Okay.
Did exactly what you said. Put it all the way
Gear
back.
up.
So hopefully everything goes well. Taxing out.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Well,
Punch to it, man.
land and fix this damn thing.
You landing?
Go ahead, take off.
Gear down.
Gotta figure out what the hell's wrong with the gear.
Hopefully I get this battery right.
You're fine, you're good. The thing has got such a wide range. Okay, I'm landing.
Seems nose heavy now.
It will a little bit, but you'll be fine.
Alright, I'm gonna try to pass. Low pass!
It's a lot faster, but okay, I'm taxiing back. I'm gonna go back up too, though. Gotta fix that little steering thing in there. It's even making the plane turn. Wow, it's rolling forever now. All right, let's get that fixed. It's this little piece.
Oh my god, the climbing is a crazy.
Yeah, it's that thing. I gotta glue that. I mean,
Gear up.
grease that.
Gear down.
Alright,
There
touch
we
and
go.
go. I just have my
Gear up. Gear down.
I gotta bend it. There we go.
Gear up. Gear down.
All right, let's go. If it hangs up again, I'm just gonna leave it.
Yeah, I can totally tell the difference. It's a lot heavier.
Yeah, but it's gonna go faster too. Okay, I'm taxiing out, taking off again.
I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna do touch and go.
Gear up.
Clear. Let's see, the gear's still hanging up. I gotta oil it.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I'll just leave it. I'm not gonna mess with
Oh
it
my
anymore.
goodness, the climbing on this is outrageous. I think I might fly with the 5,000 from now on.
If it works, leave it.
But I still like how I like how
Okay.
it is with 4,000. Low pass. My goodness. I should have put this
30
in
seconds.
racing you.
Stupid nose gear's hanging out. I know. Go ahead.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
I got plenty of time. I'll fly another
3,
little over a minute.
2, 1. Time expired.
Landing left to right.
Okay, you're clear.
Oh, I gotta land too. Actually, you know what? I can keep going because I got
5,000. How long have you flown?
I got 30 seconds left.
On a 3-minute timer?
Yeah.
You got plenty of time. You got another 2 minutes almost.
Come on, baby, climb. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Oh, it climbs a lot.
Oh my goodness. I could have still kept going. Go for him up.
Not flying how I want it to right now, because that stupid nose wheel.
Alright, I'm gonna do it. Wanna join me?
I can't because of the gear.
Alright.
Clear.
Okay. Just gonna, when it comes into land, I gotta go through it all and fix it. I figured out what it is.
Over.
Oh, greaser.
Is that F-35?
Yeah.
Landing. Or not landing. Doesn't barely want to pull up now. I'm gonna do a fast pass from the right.
Go ahead. I'm doing the same thing right now.
I'm gonna land.
2 minutes. Over.
Are you gonna land too?
After
Gear
you.
down.
Thought we could do a formation landing, but whatever.
I'm already way the hell over here. I've been screwing up on landings with this thing. Gotta get it right.
Perfect landing.
Keep the damn nose up so I can
Yeah, my
slow
nose
it
is
down.
open.
There we go. There we go.
Alright, I'm all the way to the right.
Okay.
the end.
There we go. There we go. Now it's slowing down. Just gotta get back to the roots.
You flying at 5,000?
Yeah. There we go. That's how it's supposed to be. God, why is it turning? Really, plane?
Does that want a wheelie plane or no?
It can, but problem is it hops back up in the air when you do it.